I've watched Joaquin Phoenix mumble his way through many good, successful movies and come out the other side mostly unscathed, but I'm afraid I can't say the same about this one. Eddington is set in a small New Mexico town at the height of the 2020 COVID-19 pandemic. Phoenix plays a sheriff who's ideologically at odds with the local mayor, played by Pedro Pascal, who's starring in what feels like his 1,000th role in 2025. Phoenix's character, Sheriff Cross, decides to challenge the mayor by running his own mayoral campaign against him. And then all hell breaks loose. Not immediately, but Cross's wife, played by Emma Stone, yet another fantastic actor whose talents are completely wasted here, leaves him after he posts online that she was sexually assaulted by Mayor Garcia. The accusation spreads quickly. Cross then abuses his power by showing up to Mayor Garcia's home during a party to complain about the loud music. Katy Perry's loud music, because even in this world, nobody wants to hear astronaut Katy Perry. And what does Mayor Garcia do? He bitch slaps the sheriff twice. At this point, I no longer knew what the hell was going on. What is Cross's motivation? What is he trying to accomplish? The movie could be reduced to a left versus right debate, but none of his decisions make sense. Pascal's character is supposed to be an important foil to Phoenix's, but the film never develops that dynamic. It all feels very surface level. Then the film completely derails. The sheriff assassinates the mayor and his son, covers it up and pins it on one of his deputies, the only black man in his department. At that moment, I started to suspect that Aster, who began his career strong with Hereditary, Midsummer, and Beau is Afraid, didn't actually know what kind of movie he was making. What begins as a commentary on social media echo chambers during one of the most divisive periods in recent history devolves into a pseudo-noir police cover-up in cowboy hats. It's like someone told Aster, make No Country for Old Men set during the pandemic, but bad. The last 30 minutes contain some of the wildest, most out of left field and right field, if you catch my drift, moments I've seen in a while. And that's saying something, because I watched a Serbian film. Let's just say there's an explosion, a desert shootout, a small town chase, and it ends with Sheriff Cross taking a knife to the dome. I'm still reeling from this movie, mainly because of how dumb most of it was. I mean, there are some good ideas here, but they're buried in an unhinged, muddled script. Overall, if you enjoyed reminiscing about the heydays of the pandemic and watching Joaquin Phoenix act with a mouthful of marbles, this one might be for you. For more reviews like this, follow, comment, and subscribe to the Never Seen It Podcast at neverseenitpodcast.com or wherever you get your podcasts from.